Hey everybody, we are at the 2025 Milwaukee Media Event.
Yeah, they call it Pipeline. There's over 100 different products that we're going to get our hands on and show you guys.
Yeah, we're going to show you some stuff. Hey everybody, I'm here at the Milwaukee Media Event. I'm here with Brendan and we're looking at the Brushless Precision Blower. I'm just going to call it a blower.
Yeah, of course.
This thing is super powerful. Can you kind of walk us through maybe what inspired this? Like what are folks using it for? Maybe talk about some of the attachments that can go here and price, availability.
Definitely. Yeah, so right now on the market, we have a high saturation of what you can see here. Those high CFM blowers, these guys target a wide air spread for wide cleaning applications. And what we figured out was we really need a tight column of air and really fast airspeed in order to tackle some of these debris on the job site. So what we did is we have 570 miles an hour coming out of this tool at 39 CFM to really tackle those stubborn debris.
Wow.
So with that, we have 3 included nozzles here and a nozzle holder. This is going to give you added versatility.
Let's walk over here. Yeah, so I realized I was yelling earlier. I hit earplugs in. so is that a magnet?
Yeah, you got magnets on the back.
Oh, I like that.
Loop here.
So just insert and turn?
Quarter turn for you, and that's going to put it right in the tool.
And these are rubberized. They're kind of like, I don't know, like ABS or heavy rubberized, but flexible a little bit.
You got it.
So you're seeing guys, for example, getting into nooks and crannies, maybe cleaning out tools and places. Yep. Where else are you seeing people using this?
Yep, so there's also auto detailing that you can do with this.
Oh, nice.
So if you have extra water in those nooks and crannies on your cars in between the windows, this will be perfect for clearing that water out so you can really have that full detail on the cars that you're working on.
Cleaning maybe the vents out too. Those are the hardest things to clean when I clean my truck and
HVAC guys for cleaning out those heat pumps.
Should I blow some dust around?
Give it a go, man.
You got eyes?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. And how fast coming out of here again?
570 miles an hour.
All right. I got to tell you, I use the big blower to do all this stuff.
Okay.
But I can totally see with this narrow, getting into like the vent covers and the nooks and crannies, and like it's always a pain point trying to get in here. You get slivers and things stuck in here. So this is great.
Yes, sir.
I really like it. I noticed there's a filter on the back here. Tell me about that.
So this filter is going to keep, as you saw, all that sawdust came up when you were blowing.
Yeah.
So this is going to keep that sawdust out of the internals of the tool and extend the life for you.
Did you use the blower to clean out the filter?
You got it.
And then it just twists on.
Yep. You'll see that lock over here.
Yeah, right there. Okay.
Now that guy here is going to be $15. If you do lose it or want to replace that filter, it's $15.
$15.
The whole tool itself, coming with the nozzles, is going to be $179.
$179. Belt hook, 3 speeds.
3 speeds. Right. Variable speed trigger, as well as we have an added LED here for those dimly lit areas.
Oh yeah, it does have a variable speed trigger.
And then also to keep away from, say, that carpal tunnel that can add up. Yeah. We have a lock-on trigger.
Where?
Right here. So you push that guy, now your tool is locked on, so you don't have to keep squeezing the trigger.
Is this the lock on, or is that a safety? I thought that was a safety. Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, you totally want a lock on. Can I blow it from this way or the other way?
That right there. Yep.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, this is great. Hey, Brendan, thank you so much for showing us through, and thanks for having us here, and I really appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. That's a wrap. What'd you think?
Oh, it was great. It was a lot of red, a lot of fun.
Yeah, innovation, passion. It was a good time.